Hi everybody again and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to change a flight ticket date with a WIZZAIR application. So first of all I have to open of course my WIZZAIR app and I find my booking. I would like to change this flight. For example, I have booked one flight from Brussels Charleroi to Sofia. So here we can check all details of your reservation and then we have to click just on these 3 points to start the modification of this flight. And such as you can see now, by clicking here we can see all services where I choose change flight. Then here we can find detailed and useful information for us. If you checked fares and bundles and click on details, here we can see this page and then we will check all necessary information about flight change. So I click now here on flight change and here I find the flight change rules. Yes, now the question is what happens if the original price of the ticket is cheaper, more expensive or the same. So if the new ticket price is lower than the original, passengers do not have to pay additional fees. However, the ticket price difference will not be refunded. So this means that if the original ticket price is 100 euro, you cannot get a refund even if your new ticket is 20 euros. In the next possible situation, the next ticket price will be higher. In this case, you will have to pay the ticket price difference, for example, of 80 euro. And in the last case, if the price is the same, of course, you don't have to pay any price difference. However, don't forget that every time when you change a flight ticket, you have to pay a certain amount depending on the date of change. So the price of our flight change fee could be between 35 and 45 euro. And this amount is per passenger and per flight. So in one sentence, I would express myself thus on this subject. A new price minus original ticket price plus change fee equals total amount that you have to pay. Yes, I think we have seen enough theory. Now let's move on the practice. Yes, and now I just click on X and I come back to my app and here I come back to my page with my timeline and my details of my flight. After that, I click on those 3 points. Then I choose change flight. And here I have just to confirm that I have read and understood the above information. And I click on continue. Now here I can check my passenger names. And here I choose just a first passengers to make a modification. Then we will click just on continue. Now I'm starting to look for a new flight here. I choose my destination and after that I'm looking for a new flight date. For example, I will pick up one date, 23 of March. In this case, I don't have to pay anything, but I would like to show you a ticket with a difference. This is the reason why I choose another date, for example, 18 of March. Here I have to pay 50 euros plus a change fee, in this case is 35 euros. So in total, I have to pay 85 euro to change this flight ticket. And if you are agree with the price, you have just to click on next. Now the system asks me again to choose a seat place, but I don't want to pay the seat fee. And here I just click on next and then the system gives me no seat selected. I click on done and then I see here my information about my baggage. I click just on next. Yes, here so simple. I just follow the system and the question. Here I say next. And finally, at the end of this booking, we have just to pay our request amount of 85 euro and click on continue to payment. And our change of flight date will be done. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching of my videos. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues. I believe that there are always people who need this information, and it will be really useful if you share this information with everybody. So thank you very much again for your support. I wish you good luck and have a nice day. Bye bye. See you soon.